Changing your primary email on your Equity Bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Equity Bank website or open the mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the option for email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your email, click on the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the change. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Equity Bank. Following these steps will help you keep your contact information up to date.